Located on a little over a half-acre, this home in Willow Springs would be a great starter home or investment property. With 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, this home has approximately 1,200 square feet of living space and is completely remodeled with many custom features. Move-in ready and priced at $79,900, this home is a must-see. The ranch-style home includes a metal roof, double-pane windows, all-new Apex plumbing, new water heater and new central heat and air. With the feel of country but the convenience of the amenities of Willow Springs, it sits on a paved county road just outside city limits. The kitchen includes beautiful cabinets, a custom wine rack and custom tile. The countertops are beautiful custom poured concrete. To the right of the sink is the area for the refrigerator. The custom-built wine rack on the right provides visual appeal and will hold at least 30 bottles. Beautiful colors of red, brown, black and white run through the custom concrete countertops, which will last for many, many years. This countertop includes a double kitchen sink. Equally as beautiful, this countertop is beside the area for the stove. The tall cabinet door on the right is the area for cookie sheets, pizza pans and other tall pieces. Located off at the kitchen, this bathroom includes 2 vanities with sinks and a tub and shower combo. The door on the right leads to the second bedroom. It also includes built-in shelving beside the bathtub. Behind the door on the left is a new central heating and air unit. The front door on the right side of the spacious living room includes a large amount of glass, helping to flood the room with natural light. Overhead you see a beautiful ceiling fan. The doors at the end of the living room are the doors to the second bedroom and this side of the house. This spacious living room includes new laminate flooring and a nice neutral paint color on the wall. It flows nicely into kitchen, and with the wide open entry you almost feel like it has an open floor plan. The second bedroom is on the right side of the house. It has new laminate flooring and a pretty ceiling fan. This spacious master bedroom on the left side of the house includes a sliding barn door which leads to the master bath. It also has a large closet and ceiling fan. The master bath includes a custom tiled walk-in shower and single sink vanity. To the left out of view, you find more built-in shelves for all of your towels and accessories. Behind the large mirror on the right is the sliding barn door leading to the master bedroom.